Today we're going to be showing you how much water is required for maintenance watering on large engineering projects so that you can understand how maintenance watering isn't the most effective means of watering grasses on site. Let's look at a typical example of a 30,000 square metre area. For this project, we're estimated that 4 13,000 litre water carts per day to enable germination of the grasses. We know that this value doesn't account for the evaporation that occurs, so in effect this value will be bigger. In total, 450,000 litres of water is required for the project per week. Bumping up the project size to 100,000 square metres, it's quickly seen that the watering situation gets out of hand. For this area, a total of 1.5 million litres of water is required per week. This equates to 16 13,000 litre water carts per day. Hopefully by now you can see that the maintenance watering isn't the most effective solution. Typically, the best approach is to choose a maintenance-free application and simply wait for the rain to arrive on your site. If you have any questions, check out our Learning Centre on our website or give us a call on 02 4988 6111. One of our friendly team members will be happy to chat with you and answer any of your questions. And if you're ready to get a quote, jump on our pricing page on our website.